The Tale of Genji by Murasaki Shikibu. The Tale of Genji is a similar work of Japanese literature written by Murasaki Shikibu in the early 11th century during the Heian period. Next, the character of The Tale of Genji. The main character, Hikaru Genji, Lady Fujitsubo, Aonoe, Kiritsubo Emperor, Kiritsubo Consort, Lady Kuruhu, Murasaki, Tonoju, Lady Kokiden, Akinou, Umyubu. Next, the central conflict, the impermanence of love. The story deeply explored the fleeting beauty of human relationship, youth, and status, a key concept in Japanese aesthetic known as mono-hour, meaning the pathos of life or awareness of life. The important cultural, the impermanence, love beauty lies in its transcends all things love, beauty, and power, eventually fade. In the Panhean court, emotionally controlled allegiance are valued more than passion or aggression. Action, especially those involving love and betrayal, have lasting emotional and spiritual consequences.